Hey YouTube, welcome to this episode of Learn Everyday English. Hey, your roadway to English proficiency. As you can see, I'm in a different locale today, which is a different location. I'm on the island of Galveston, Texas, which is an island about 50 miles south of Houston. And I'm here because I'm going to attend an event which is called the Featherfest. Featherfest is a big birding kind of conference. That's why it's called Featherfest. And I'm going to be here for 2 nights, attending some workshops. I got one tomorrow morning and one the following morning. And like I said, Galveston is an island on the coast of Texas. And as you can see, there's some palm trees behind me, palm trees. A lot of birds flying around, seagulls and pelicans. So I rented an Airbnb, we say here Airbnb, and I'm going to be staying here for 2 nights. So I'm going to kind of show you what it's like. It's a nice little place. It's kind of on the second floor. I'm standing on a balcony. And I'll take you inside, but let me, I don't know if you can see this. This little kid outside playing with his basketball. But let's go inside. Here's the front door of the unit. It's a pretty big place here. It's just myself, just for me, because my wife couldn't go with me. She has to work. But here we come in. I'll give you a tour of the place, as we say here. There's a big sofa, or we say kind of a big sectional sofa, and a coffee table right here. I got some of my stuff on there, my backpack, a container of water, and a mouse for my computer. Here they got a real big, nice flat screen television with a lot of cable channels. They got it fixed up, very nicely fixed up or arranged. There's some nice little pictures on the wall. One over here says sea, S-E-A. Here it says surf, since we're along the coast. There's a long stretch of beach. This is a table lamp and a table. Here we're coming into we can say maybe the dining area. Dining means the place where you eat at. And in the dining area, there's a dinette table. Specifically a glass top dinette table with 3 chairs. And here is the kitchen. In front of me right here, this big square looking thing, we call that an island. This is the island, or the kitchen island, where you can put food and everything and people can entertain. I'll start over on this side. So there's a countertop, which is this area right here. It's called the countertop. Usually it's made out of marble or some other type of material. There's a microwave oven. This is a Keurig machine where you can make different types of coffees or breakfast type of drinks. I don't really drink that type of stuff, but it's available. Here is down below is the dishwasher, Frigidaire dishwasher. A roll of paper towels, and these are the little containers that go into the Keurig machine. So this is a breakfast blend. This is like coffee, Green Mountain coffee. And this is says Swiss Miss milk chocolate hot cocoa mix, like hot chocolate. Here's a different type of coffee, Dark Magic. This was breakfast blend. Here's what we call the sink right here. And this here is called the faucet. They got hand soap and dish soap. There's a little bit of difference, hand soap, dish soap. Here is the nice 2-door refrigerator. We say side-by-side refrigerator with the water and ice dispenser. Water and ice dispenser. To dispense means to give out, so you can access the water and ice from the door or through the door. Here's a window in the back. There's another unit that somebody can rent and stay here as another Airbnb. I'm walking around the island. Well, let me show you this. This is the what we call the cooktop or the stove top. Each one of these is called a burner or a burner element, or maybe just an element. These are the control knobs, and this is the control panel, and down below is the oven. So it's a cooktop and an oven. The floors appear to be like laminate flooring, or it could be that resemble or look like wood, or it could actually be wood flooring. But I'm going to walk over here through this doorway. On the wall in front of me is what we call the thermostat, and we use this to control the temperature. And you put it on cool, off, or heat, and there's a fan. To my right over here is the guest bedroom. So this is a 2-bedroom unit. So it's really nice. It's like they have 2 full-size beds in here. I have my camera equipment on this bed in front of me. Here's this, we call this is a ceiling fan with light. And this room is very nice as well because it has a pretty good size flat screen TV. And we call this thing here a chest of drawers where you can store your clothes right here. And it's like there's a closet right here. Yeah, closet. You can put your clothes in. Going back to this other room over here on the left. Well, before I get there, here's the bathroom. Nice bathroom. Got some cabinets to my right where they have towels and like a blow dryer. We say blow dryer for your hair. A roll of TP. TP are just initials. We'll say toilet paper. TP. Kind of a slang way to say that. Over here, there's this is called a vanity with also a faucet right here. This is called the face bowl. There's a mirror. And here's the, we just refer to as the toilet. And here's a very nice, we say a walk-in shower with a glass enclosure. And see, built into the wall, there is a space where you can put your shampoo and conditioners. So as we walk out of here, this is we say the master bedroom or the main bedroom. It is very nice as well. There's a ceiling fan with the light. Looks like it's probably a queen size bed. On the bed I have my suitcase, we call it, small suitcase or luggage. And each side of the bed there is a nightstand with a light. There's just an opening here in the wall for a closet. It's like there's no door, a place to hang your stuff, we say. On the right there's like a floor fan, and in the left corner in front of me is an ironing board, and at the top is an iron. So if you need to iron your clothes, or sometimes we say to press your clothes, you can do that. If your clothes are wrinkled, you need to iron them. And over here in the corner is a nice comfy, we say comfy chair. Comfy is another way to say comfortable, with a kind of cool looking light that extends over and on above the chair. Here's another chest of drawers to put your clothes in. And finally, there's another nice flat screen television. So that was a tour of this Airbnb here in Galveston, Texas. I hope you liked that tour. In the morning, I'm going to be going over to a place called Moody Gardens. Moody Gardens, they have a hotel there, but it's a cool place because they also have 3 places like touristy places, a place where tourists go, and they're called pyramids. They're structures. They're in the shape of a pyramid. They're glass. One's a rainforest pyramid. One's kind of an aquarium pyramid. I don't remember what the other one is. But I'm taking a workshop where they're going to let us go into the rainforest pyramid as part of Featherfest. We have a special kind of tour where we can go above at the top of the pyramid where usually tourists don't go, because inside the rainforest they have a lot of animals that you'll find in a rainforest, like in Brazil. There'd be birds and other animals, mammals. So it's a photography tour, so we can take our cameras and walk around above the floor, high above, and take pictures of the different animals and birds there. And then Thursday morning, I'm doing a walking tour down, kind of downtown at Galveston, on a place or area called the Strand, which is a very popular tourist place. And it's a tour about macro photography, which is taking photographs of things very up close. We say up close. So it should be interesting. So I'll be showing you around different things in Galveston, going on the beach. There's also a seawall. And Galveston has some history I'll be telling you about a little bit later. So stay tuned. Hope you'll like the video. All right. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Hey, tell your friends about it, that you heard and saw this about Galveston on Learn Everyday English. I'm getting a lot of good comments. People are happy to see that I'm back, Jack, making videos, and I'm not doing my podcast at the moment. So if you want to check that out, you can find those podcasts called Learn Everyday English. I probably have, 40, 50 episodes. If you want to listen to those in your car, you can do that. I'll link that in the description as well. So I won't take any more of your time. I'll let you go now, but we'll see you later on Learn Everyday English. Hey, goodbye.